Welcome to a quick practical guide on turning off vibration for Instagram alerts. If you've ever wanted a quieter phone without missing important notifications, this will walk you through the exact steps so you can customize your experience. First, open your phone's settings. This is the hub where all the controls for your device are kept, from display to sound. Once you're in settings, look for apps. This section lists the programs installed on your phone and lets you adjust each one individually. Tap on Instagram from the list of apps. You'll land on the app settings page where you can manage permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Next, select notifications. This is where you control what Instagram can alert you about and how those alerts appear on your device. Within notification settings, you'll see different categories for the types of alerts Instagram can send. Tap on notification categories to drill down into the granular options. Here, you'll micromanage how each notification type behaves so you can tailor your experience exactly. Now, find alerts in the list of categories and tap it. This section controls the vibration behavior tied to those specific notifications, among other alert options. You want to locate the Vibrate toggle. It's often labeled clearly as Vibrate or Vibration. Toggle off Vibrate to stop your phone from buzzing when Instagram sends a notification. If you still want to feel some notification feedback, you could leave other sound settings enabled or switch to a gentle chime instead of vibration. Remember, turning off vibration here applies to Instagram's alerts specifically and doesn't affect vibration for other apps unless you adjust those individually. To double check, go back to your home screen and trigger a test notification from Instagram by asking a friend to send you a message or by using a test feature if you have one in the app. If you don't hear a vibration, you've successfully completed the change. If you still feel a buzz, revisit the alerts category to ensure the vibrate option is fully off. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll enjoy silent Instagram notifications without losing the visibility of new posts, messages, or activity.